Hello everyone and welcome to the Staggers family channel. For the new ones that is watching, my name is Robin and I'm on here to read a book to y'all. So it is story time. Yes, I love to read. So I'm going to be reading a lot. I'm going to be reading a lot for y'all. So the name of the book is The Life Cycle of a Chicken. If you love baby chicks, then this video is for you. In the contents, we'll be learning about meeting the chickens, how the eggs are laid, hatching, chick, young chicken, laying eggs, mating, danger, the farmyard, life cycle, fact files, the glossary, more books to read, and the index. These are the contents. Meet the chickens. Chickens are birds. They have feathers, wings, and a beak. Different kind of chickens have different colors feathers. The chicken in this book is a white leghorn cockerel. He began life inside an egg. The egg was laid by his mother, a white leghorn hen. The eggs are laid. The mother hen laid the egg in a nest. Every day she lays another egg, and now there are 6 eggs in the nest. The mother hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Inside each egg, a new chick is growing. Hatching. 3 weeks later. The eggs are beginning to hatch. The chick uses its beak to chip a hole in the shell. The chick chips a hole all around the egg. Now it uses its body to push the egg apart. The little chick is wet and tired. One day old. Very soon its soft, downy feathers have dried. The little chick stands up and looks around. This chick had just hatched too. Soon all the chicks had left the eggs and are cheeping loudly. "4 days old. The little chicks drink water and eat seeds among the straw. They stay close together and follow the mother hen wherever she goes. This chick has been separated from his mother. He listens for his mother clucking and runs after her. Young chicken, 7 weeks old. The chicks are bigger now. but they still shelter under their mother's wing. New white feathers have grown in place of the yellow down. The young cockerel has long tail feathers and a red comb on the top of his head. At 2 months, the chickens leave their mother and live in the chicken run with the other hens. Here, the cockerel has flown up onto the fence to have a look around. Now he pecks among the grass looking for seeds and worms to eat. He swallows his food whole, and it is ground up in the stomach called a gizzard. At 5 months, the chickens are nearly full grown. This hen sits in one of the egg boxes in the hen house. She clucks loudly and then climbs out. So this is when they start laying the eggs. She had just laid her first egg. From now on, she will lay an egg almost every day. Her eggs have not been fertilized, so there are no chicks growing inside them. The young cockerel struts around the farmyard. He watches carefully over several young hens. If one wanders off, he chases it back. This is at 8 months. The cockerel protects these hens from danger. If another cockerel comes near one of them, he chases it away. Mating at 1 year old. This hen is ready to mate. The young cockerel mates with her and fertilizes her eggs. She lays the eggs and sits on them. The eggs have hatched and there is a new brood of chicks. The hen looks after them, but the cockerel keeps a close eye on them too. Danger. Very early one morning, a fox climbs into the chicken run. He is a predator. At first, the chickens do not see him. The fox grabs a hen. The cockerel and the other chickens squawk and flap, but the fox jumps out of the chicken run and hurries away. Oh, that poor hen. The farmyard. The cockerel has a busy life. He watches over the hens and chicks, and from time to time, he crows loudly. He will stay on the farm until he dies. He may live until he's about 10 years old if the fox doesn't catch him. Now, the life cycle is the eggs, the hatching. Number 1 is the eggs. Number 2 is the hatching. Number 3 is chick. Number 4 is young chicken. Number 5 is cockerel. Fats fowl. A hen lays between 100 and 300 eggs a year, but not more than one day. The shell forms around the egg inside the hen's body. It takes about a day for the egg to form before it is ready to be laid. People had kept chickens for over 3,000 years. They collect their eggs and eat them. Chickens are probably the most common bird in the world. There are more than 10 billion of them. Wow. and then the rest is more books to read and the index and stuff. And this book was written by I don't see a name. Hold on. Oh, Royston Angela. So I hope y'all enjoyed the story. Listen, I know my channel can be a little kind of boring, but it is going to get, well, I mean, I know our channel seem a little boring, but it's going to get better. We need y'all help. We need y'all to help us get monetized. We are at 280 subscribers. This is our dream, to be like the other YouTubers, to becoming you know, we trying to make this as a job. We trying to make this as a full-time job. I know it's not easy of becoming a YouTuber. I know the other YouTubers went through the same thing. It was not easy for them, but they did it. So if they can do it, then we can do it too. We can be that next family that people would love. So like I said, we got 280 subscribers. So let's get us up to 300 subscribers by the end of this month or next month. Let's get us up there. Let's get us up there. I know we're not gonna get, the 1,000 subscribers ASAP like that, to get monetized, because we still got our public watch hours that we have to grow as well. But we're not gonna give up. We're not gonna give up. So if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all love when I read to y'all, give the video a thumbs up. And if y'all are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next one. And I'm out. Peace.